Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am going to show you numerous different ways you can diffuse and utilize your essential oils for therapeutic benefits other than a home diffuser. So I know most of us probably know about home diffusers, right? They either plug into the wall or they're battery operated, and you can put water inside, drop your oils, and it disperses essential oils throughout the air. Now, this is a great way to utilize your essential oils, but if you really need to use your essential oils to benefit from them and benefit from the aromatic and therapeutic benefits, then one of these ways that I'm about to show you is going to be more effective. A home diffuser is great if you just want to create a really calming atmosphere, or if you just want to lift the mood of the space, if you want to eliminate some odors in the room, but it's not as concentrated and not as direct as these ways that I'm about to show you. If you're congested, if you have a headache, something like that where you really need to utilize the essential oils for their benefits, this is going to be the best way. So first is a aromatherapy inhaler. So as you can see, I labeled this one. This is my headache inhaler, and what it is, it literally just twists off the top, and inside of here is a cotton wick that I actually filled with my own essential oils. I dropped it right inside and put the lid on it, but I put about 20 to 30 drops usually on my inhalers. You can stick it right up to your nose and breathe in a few deep breaths. I usually do like 3 to 5 deep breaths once a minute for like 10 or so minutes. And I find that this method of inhaling essential oils works amazing, especially if I'm congested, I feel a cold coming on, if I have a headache. Obviously, I love to use this. I have an immune inhaler that I keep in my bag, in my car, literally wherever I go. This is also a really nice way to utilize your essential oils that is kind of discreet and personal. Not everyone around you has to smell the essential oils that you are using. And I love this too if you have a dog, a child, and you're worried about them inhaling some of the essential oils that might not be safe for them. Inhaler is the way to go. So another way you can utilize your essential oils is a diffuser necklace. So this is a pendant style. Inside is this felt pad that you just drop 4 to 5 drops of essential oil on, stick it into the necklace, and then you wear your necklace. I normally, when I wear my necklace, I will put it up to my nose in the same kind of way that I do the inhaler and take just a few deep breaths as needed throughout the day. But this will last you, like almost always, it lasts me at least a day before I have to refresh. And I didn't mention, but the inhalers, these are one of my favorite ways because they last forever, literally last for like months at a time. You're using, again, 20 to 30 drops in the inhaler. And then one of my other favorite ways to diffuse essential oils is in a car diffuser. So just like the pendant, I literally just took out that pad that was inside of there and I put it inside of my car clip, and this just clips right into the vent of your car. And I normally use a few more drops than if I was using this in a necklace. So usually like 4 to 5 on the front and then 4 to 5 on the other side. So I utilize both sides of the pad. There's little holes, if you can see, in the back of it. So the air that comes out of your vent kind of takes the oil and disperses it into the air in your car while you're driving. I get major anxiety on the highways, so I definitely utilize my lavender, frankincense. I absolutely love bergamot in my car as well. Orange is also a really good one to help with anxious feelings. I almost always have one of those 4 essential oils in my car vent at all times. And then another really awesome way to utilize your essential oils besides a home diffuser is a bracelet. So this is a really cute and stylish way to utilize your essential oils. These are made with lava beads, so these are absorbent and they'll absorb the oil right onto the beads here. And how I use this is I normally drop I'll take my oil and I'll use like 4 or 5 beads. I'll put this onto a paper towel and I'll drop 1 drop on each bead. So 4 to 5 drops total, and then I'll let it sit and let it absorb for like 30 seconds to a minute or so, and then I'll put it on my wrist. Now the reason I apply my oils while this is off of my wrist is so that I'm not dropping my oils. Like if I were wearing this, if I drop this onto the beads, it could flow off of there and get onto my skin, and I want to avoid any sensitivity or any reactions at all costs. So I make sure to drop the oil while this is off of my wrist, again let it absorb for a little while, and then I put it on my wrist, and this lasts me the whole day. And what's really nice about this is you don't have to worry about it like washing it or anything. The scent from your oils, they'll last on here for a couple days. Same with these two, and it'll just naturally kind of fade away, and then you can reload it with any other essential oil that you want to. So you don't have to use the same essential oil each and every time on your jewelry, which is pretty cool. And then I'll often stack a few of these bracelets on my wrist at a time, so I can have like one single oil on this bracelet and then another single oil on a different bracelet, and I can get the benefits of both of those essential oils at the same time. I love to use this way. And then there's also bracelets that look just like that other pendant that I showed you. So there's multiple different kinds of bracelets and necklaces and all kinds of jewelry that you can use to diffuse and use your essential oils with. We have all of this jewelry on our website on naturallymadeessentials.com. And if you guys want to get wholesale pricing, we have a way for you to get wholesale pricing too. If interested, you don't have to like order a minimum amount or anything like that. You just get a discount, and it's awesome. You can use any brand of essential oils with this jewelry or these ways of diffusing as well, which is really nice because I have friends who use all different brands of essential oils, and they love these things because they can utilize the oils that they already have and use them pretty much everywhere they go. So I wanted to share some of these ways, again, that you can get the benefits of your essential oils even on the go, which is nice because I know a home diffuser is kind of stationary, right? Like we can't bring it with us. We can, I guess, if we're going to like a hotel or something like that, if we're traveling, but even then it's like kind of bulky, and I sometimes travel with my diffuser if I know I'm going to be gone for a long time, but I love to travel with my inhalers even more. So I wanted to share these ways with you guys. Let me know in the comments your favorite way to bring your essential oils with you, or your favorite way to use your essential oils besides in a home diffuser. I'd love to hear it. I'd love to hear your favorite blends and combinations. Thank you guys for tuning in, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet already. There will be a little button, I think over this way, where you can subscribe and get all of our new videos, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!